If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
Good morning, students. Welcome to Sri Chaitanya Virtual Classroom. Last classes, we discussed intensity of electric field due to different charged bodies like charged rod, charged ring, charged disk, and so on. Today's topic is electric dipole. Electric dipole. The name itself tells you electric means charge. Dipole, di means two. Dipoles, different poles means different polarities. Two charges of different polarities separated by certain distance. Right? See, what is the definition of electric dipole? It is a system of two equal and unlike charges separated by small distance. System of two equal and unlike charges separated by a small distance is known as electric dipole. Right? This is the definition. See, there are two charges. This is one charge. This is another charge. Two charges. This is another charge. This charge is minus Q. This charge is plus Q. If you see this, its magnitude is Q. Its magnitude is Q. Two equal, that is the meaning, equal magnitude. And they are separated by, see here, there is a separation. They are separated by a small distance, right? Actually, on the board we are showing a lot of distance, but the distance is very small. Separated by a small distance. See, this is not a string, this is not a dot, nothing. It is just a distance between those two charges. Distance between those two charges. And from here to here, the distance between the two charges, the distance between these two charges taken as 2a. And O is the center of the dipole. Then from here to here, from each charge to the center, A and A. From the charge to the center of the dipole, distance is A. From this charge to this charge, distance is 2A. Right? This configuration, you call it as a electric dipole. See here, it is a system, two charge system. How those two charges are equal, means equal in magnitude. See here, its magnitude is Q, its magnitude is Q. Right? And unlike charges, when we say unlike, polarities are different. This is negative and this is positive. So unlike charges, separated by certain distance. This is called a electric dipole, right? Then in these, Q magnitude of either charge, magnitude of either charge, any one of the charge, and 2A, distance between charges, it is called length of the dipole or dipole length. So in coming discussion, wherever this 2A comes, length of the dipole. So length of the dipole, wherever it comes, it is not simply A, it is 2A. Right? Next. See this length of the dipole is a vector. Length of dipole is a vector. It is a vector. Once it is a vector, what is its direction? See, if you represent it like a vector, like this, its direction is from minus charge to plus charge. Its direction is from minus charge to plus charge. Length of the dipole is a vector whose direction is from minus to plus along this, in this direction. And there is a term called dipole moment. Dipole moment. Here it is electric dipole, exactly to say electric dipole moment. What is dipole moment? There is a definition. It is the product of magnitude of either charge, any one of the charge, and dipole length. Dipole length is known as dipole moment. The product of magnitude of either charge and dipole length or length of the dipole, anything you can take, is known as dipole moment. See what is the formula? It is represented with P. represented with small p. P, electric dipole moment. What we said, it is the product of magnitude of either charge Q into length of the dipole 2a. Q into 2a. This is the formula of dipole moment. In this, if this 2a is a vector and Q is a scalar, then P is also a vector. It is a vector. Once it is a vector, what is its direction? Its direction, see, this is the direction, P direction, right from where to where? Direction minus Q to plus Q. This is the direction. Always remember, when you are dealing problems with dipole, wherever you need to take the direction of the dipole moment, it is from minus to plus, like this. Along the dipole, along the length of the dipole, as it is product of 2a, in what direction that 2a is present, in the same direction that P also. So direction is from minus Q to plus Q, right? And what is its unit? What is its unit? From this formula, SI unit, Q into 2a. Q, Coulomb. 2a, meter. Coulomb meter is the unit. Coulomb meter is the unit of dipole moment. Exactly to say electric dipole moment. Come on, note down. Or take a screenshot. Next. See, what is the example for this? In our daily life, is there any example of this electric dipole? One simple example. So many are there. In chemistry, we have some molecules. For example, HCl. HCl molecule. It is a combination of hydrogen atom and chlorine atom with a covalent bond between them. So, if you see that bonding, if this is hydrogen and this is chlorine, these electrons, sharing of electrons, that negative center is somewhat nearer to the chlorine. Negative center, this is whatever the electron sharing, those electrons are nearer to chlorine. So generally what you write, Cl minus, H plus. So it has become positive charge, it has become negative charge. So positive charge and negative charge separated by certain distance. The distance is in angstrom units. So this is one dipole. It behaves like a electric dipole. Here positive hydrogen ion and negative chlorine ion separated by certain distance. It behaves like a dipole. Once it behaves like a dipole, it shows some electric properties. You might have discussed in your chemistry, right? So this is one example. Wherever if you are asked to write an example, this is so many examples are there coming Class we discuss. Next. Well, next. What questions we get in exam is, see, this is very important even for entrance point of view and PU. Essay question you will get in PU, right? Due to an electric dipole, what is the intensity of electric field on its axial line or on its equatorial line, right? Electric dipole, intensity of electric field on its axial line, right? One of the very important question for PU and also for entrance. Intensity of electric field at a point on its axial line, right? First we need to know what is axial line. See, we draw the dipole. This is the center, O, center of the dipole. This is minus charge. This is plus charge. And 2A, length of the dipole. What is axial line? The line, the imaginary line, which is passing through the two charges, which is joining those two charges passing through the center. The line which is joining these two charges passing through the center. This line, you call it as axial line, right? This line, this is a straight line joining these two charges passing through the center. So let P is a point at this point on this axial line, right? At this point P, what is intensity of electric field due to this dipole? That is the question. Where is the point P here? P is a point on the axial line. See, whenever you are considering distances, always we consider distances from the center. So from the center, at what distance it is? From this center, this point P, let it is at a distance R. From this center, this point P is at a distance R, right? Okay. Now what is the intensity at this point? See, here in the dipole you have two charges, minus charge and plus charge. Due to this plus charge, there is some intensity at this point. Due to this minus charge, there is some intensity at this point. If you vectorially add those two intensities, you get the intensity due to this dipole. Right? We proceed one by one. Okay. Here, Q, magnitude of either charge 2L, 2A, length of dipole P, dipole moment, electric dipole moment, formed by what? Q into 2A. Let P, here if you confuse this P and this P, take this point as some C. Take this one as A and this one as B and this point as C. Let C is a point, C is a point at a distance R from center of dipole, right? Next, distance of minus Q charge, C. Distance of minus Q. Distance of point C from minus Q. I call it as AC. See how much here? From this minus Q charge, how much distance, at what distance that C is? From here to here, this is R. From here to here, this is A. If you want to write even, this is A and this is A. Now, from A to C, what is the distance? A plus R. Is it clear? A plus R. Clear? Then distance of C from plus Q charge BC. What is this? See, from here to here, this is R. Okay, I want from here to here. So from R, if I subtract this A, I get BC. Okay, so R minus A. R minus A. Now I got distances. Now, what is the electric field at C due to minus Q? At C, electric field intensity due to minus Q charge. Due to minus Q charge. What is the formula? I call it as EA. Because I took this point as A, you can take EA or E minus, whatever it may be. Formula is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is what? Q by distance is what? AC. AC square means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. R plus A whole square. Is this clear? Due to this minus Q charge, what is the intensity at this point? This charge is at a distance R plus A. We know the formula for intensity. Intensity due to a charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. Clear? What is its direction? See the direction. Direction is along AC. Along AC, right? In the same way, electric field intensity due to plus Q charge, let us say EB or E plus, you can write both. Come on, due to this charge, what is the electric field intensity? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, magnitude is Q by, what is the distance from here? BC. BC square, right? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, its magnitude is Q, distance from here to here is BC. BC square. Come on, how much it is? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square. Because what is BC? BC is R minus A whole square. Well, in what direction? Along, see, there, here something, I assign the directions here. Electric field due to negative charge, two words are away. Electric field due to negative charge, we know it is two words. Two words, right? This is EA. Electric field due to positive charge, away. This is EB, right? See, now here along CA, not simply AC, CA. This is along BC. Is this clear? Field due to negative charge, wherever you find, it is towards the charge. Field due to positive charge, wherever you find, it is away from the charge. From these, it is clear that EA and EB are opposite. What is the net intensity? Net intensity at point C, E net is equal to, come on, is it EB minus EA or EA minus EB? Which is greater? Charges are same. From this charge, distance is less. If distance is less, intensity is more. Because charge is same. See, here charge Q, here charge Q. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here R plus A whole square, here R minus A whole square. So which is greater? Here distance is less. So E is greater, EB is greater. So can I write EB minus EA by sir? See here, how those two are? Opposite. If both are in the same direction, plus. Opposite as they are, minus. Come on. See these two. What is common in those two? q by 4 pi epsilon naught common. Q by 4 by epsilon naught common. Here also q by 4 by epsilon naught. Here also q by 4 by epsilon naught common. Inside, what comes? Come on. Inside, what comes? EB 1 by r minus a whole square. 1 by r minus a whole square minus 1 by r plus a whole square. Is this clear? In EB, what do you mean? 1 by r minus a whole square. In EA, what do you mean? 1 by r plus a whole square. Well, come on, note down or take a screenshot. We have to move 3 more steps. We have 3 more steps. So we write here. Net intensity at point C. Okay? I'm rubbing this part. What is the next step from here? E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r minus a whole square into r plus a whole square. Okay, then what comes here? As here r minus a whole square is there, it comes here r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square. Is this point clear? Say from these two, r minus a whole square, r plus a whole square. Here r minus a whole square is there, it comes up r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square. Here you need little bit mathematics. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square gives what? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. 4ab. You get 4ab. This is in the form. You check out a plus b whole square, r square plus a square plus 2ra minus this one, a minus b whole square, r square minus plus a square minus 2ra by this is a minus b square into a plus b square. There is a formula a square minus b square whole square. A minus b whole square into a plus b whole square. A square minus b square whole square. Right? Here, if you remove this bracket, this becomes plus and it becomes plus, this becomes minus. Right? If you multiply with negative, r square, a square, r square, a square get cancelled. Then what comes out? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. What remains here? 2RA plus 2RA, right? 4RA by R square minus A square whole square. This is E. Where? On axial line, right? E axial. Little bit. I can write this one as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. I write it here. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by this one 2 into 2A Q you have okay 2 into 2A 4A can written as 2 into 2A into R by R square minus A square whole square. From this, see 2A into Q is what? 2A into Q is equal to dipole moment. See the formula for dipole moment. 2A into Q can be written as dipole moment. So can I adjust it like this? 1 by 2 into 2AQ. Well, is there any difference? 2 into 2, 4, R, A, Q. 2AQ is equal to dipole moment 2B by R square minus A square whole square. This is the formula. One of the very important question. See, due to minus charge, intensity at this point, EA. Why inward? Because this is negative. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance square. See the distance from that? A plus R plus A whole square in that direction. In the same way, field due to positive charge here. As field due to positive charge, outward, EB. Electric field intensity due to positive plus Q. EB, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by BC square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance is what? R minus A whole square. Net intensity. As these two are opposite, EB minus EA. Because EB is greater. Why? This is nearer. Distance is less. So E is more. EB minus EA. Then in both Q by 4 pi epsilon naught common, take out 1 by R minus A whole square by 1 by R plus A whole square. Then come here, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught common, then it comes R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square by R minus A square into R plus A square. See, you write down in the margin, A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is 4AB. Formula. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. See, we got the same 4RA. Even in the exam, you can write directly 4RA. Okay. And A minus B whole square into A plus B whole square is equal to A square minus B square whole square. There is a formula. Write down in margin. A minus B whole square into A plus B whole square is equal to A square minus B square whole square. So we got this after simplification. In this, from 4, I took Q and remained 2A, and Q. I take it in r remain. R square minus a square whole square. We know 2aq is equal to what? 2aq is equal to dipole moment. So, in place of 2aq, I took dipole moment P, electric dipole moment. So, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 2p by r square minus a square whole square. Clear? Come on, Nanda. Good. Here you just see 2aq is P, 2p r by r square minus a square whole square. Okay. In this some special case. 2pr by r square minus a square whole square. Here. Say some doubts. Somebody. This r should always be from center, not from this charge. Always from this center of the dipole. So for this r plus a. For this distance is r minus a. Clear? So final formula is what? E axial 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p r by r square minus a square whole square, right? Next. If this r, whatever distance we take, is much greater than a, this a or 2a, much greater than, sometimes they give 2a, length of the dipole. In this way also we can see in the books, r is much greater than 2a. Whatever distances we consider are much greater than dipole length, 2a or a. In that case, what happens to this? See, if r is much greater than a can be neglected. Whenever we neglect this, r square minus a square whole square is equal to r power r square minus a square whole square. If I neglect this a square, r square whole square, r power 4. Substitute it here. E axial 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr by r power 4. R in power 4, 1 r cancel out. So what is the final formula? E axial is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. direction. Direction of E axial. Direction of E axial. See here, if EA, EB, if EB is greater, its resultant is along this direction. So E is along this direction. EB minus EA. Because EB is greater, it is along this direction. Right? So direction E axial is along P direction. Can I write? Is along. Whether E is parallel to along better. Is along P bar direction. Because P is also in this way. If I write P direction, dipole moment direction, is it not dipole moment direction? So E direction is also in the same way. So E axial direction is along P direction, that is along dipole. So both are parallel, important point for solving problems, right? E axial and dipole moment P are parallel in the same direction, parallel and in the same direction, right? One of the very important question. Today itself you learn that question. Okay. Good students. Tomorrow we go to next very important question. Field on the equatorial line. Sure question for PU and formula is important for NEET also. Okay. Good day.